Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to make this easy maxi dress sewing project with pattern. There is so much comfort in a maxi dress, and it looks great on all body shapes. Choose the fabric that is right for your personality and have a go at making this gorgeous dress. Let's get started. Download and print your free pattern at the link below and follow the included instructions to put it together. Then, use it to cut out your pieces for this maxi dress. Once you have done that, place your front and back dress pieces right sides together. Pin at the shoulders, as well as along the side seam from the sleeve marking to the hem. Sew these areas using a 3/8 inch seam allowance. Next, pin the front and back neck facings, right sides together, and sew using that same seam allowance. We are about halfway through this maxi dress sewing tutorial. If you are enjoying this video, be sure to hit that like button. Pin the neck facing to the dress right sides together, being sure to align the seams of the facing to the seam of the dress. Sew them together. Snip in the V of the neck so that it will lay flat. Fold the sleeves and the dress hem wrong sides together by 1/2 inch and pin. Sew each section. Finally, fold the neck facing inside the dress and pin. Sew 1/8 inch away from the raw edge, attaching the facing to the dress. And that's it! Now you have a cute maxi dress, perfect for date night or anytime you want a fun, flowy dress. If you enjoyed this sewing tutorial, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on all our fun sewing content. Thanks for watching.